Hats off to you motherfuckers first and foremost. I'm your boy The Solution, S.Lou for short. Listen, hey, my flow so okay, let's get it in then. And Benjamin's the white man in my business, and bitches, you can get cooked in my kitchen. Look, I'm not missing, nigga, I'm shitting. Listen, my bars hit like cars in collision. I'm the rap game's principal, you niggas on suspension. You're not in my division, nor in my dimension. I suffer from dementia, meaning I'm demented, yet I'm so gifted. And I'm so lifted that I'm staring down the sun, but I'm scared I'm gon' hit it. The Rello gon' split it, and we can pull a hot box. I'm jumping like hopscotch, so welcome to my chop shop where you can get your top chop. My Glock pops like pop rocks, and then I get your hoes bun sticky like IHOP. Why not? I'm in you niggas' pockets like an iPod, cause I rock. Then what? I roll, and I'm high, so high like a fucking light pole. No, I rap for man till all the time's gone, man. I'm so ahead of you niggas, you switching time zones. It's the Raven in the room. You see me, your time's gone. Can't you see my mind's gone? The codeine got me tripping. Watch me knock it out the park. Nigga, look, I'm Cal Ripken. Yeah, I got you niggas shook with no hook. Style vicious, tell them, look, y'all bitches. And me, I'm all man. Nigga, you can get your head cracked like a tall can. Talking, yeah, that'll get you in the coffin. I get adopted to your family and then kill you like the orphan. Hold up, wait, run it back and let me tell the world that I ride for 937, always 10, and that's till I die. See, I rise off these blunts until I'm past high, then I sip pure codeine until I pass out. Man, I bring heat to beef. I got the mad cow. Niggas got their cash out, bitches got their ass out. Snatch that, smack that, then you hear a loud growl, like growl. Nah, but hold on, listen. Man, I hold a lot of hate, and y'all can't stop me. If you fuse a Black Panther with a goddamn Nazi, point blank, I'm a dick, and you pussies are fuck. No worry, I'ma use the Magnum. Ain't no spill when I bust. Man, I'm so Barack Osama Bin Laden, and it's green on a nigga like potatoes all gratin. People say that I'm rotten like a badass kid. My flow's got that X effect. Them bitches love that shit, and you don't wanna see my semis bust. I keep a pump that'll grind your ass up till ain't shit left but plenty dust. I'm trying to get plenty bucks, and stopping me is no one. Bitch, I want dough every day like Homer. I'm spitting like a cobra. Once I bite, man, use a goner. In a cypher, I'm a viper. One time, use a goner. One reason y'all can't do me, my flow's nuts, that's the reason Payday sued me. You can't Jesus me, cause I ain't carrying your cross, but I shake you niggas off like I was carrying a ball. Then I'm burying them all, there's no comparing me to y'all. I'm so playboy and y'all barely Mardi Gras. Who dare acknowledge Mar? Any beat nigga, I'ma kill it. Fans, fuck it. Hey, I had to do it. It's me, S.Lou, The Solution. But y'all can start calling me Young Spandex, cause it's tight on your ass, pussy. Understand it, no homo though. I'm hungry, I gotta eat.